Today's recipe is a dish which is prepared in GSP and Konkani households, and it is called batate humana. The preparation of this dish is really very simple, but the taste is definitely not compromised. This is a brilliant combo with rice, neer dosa, and as well as ottu shavige or rice idiyappam. Without any further ado, let us learn to prepare this batate or potato humana at our homes. If you are here for the first time, do consider subscribing to our channel and clicking the bell icon. This helps, inspires and motivates us and also marks a good beginning to our friendship. First, in a heavy bottomed pan, let us take about 8 dry red chilies. To this, let us add about a teaspoon of coconut oil and roast this for about 40 seconds on medium flame. Once these are done, let us take this off the stove top and let it cool. Now, let us take about a cup or 100 grams of grated coconut into a mixer grinder. To this, let us add 5 grams of pre-soaked tamarind. And finally, let's add the roasted dry chilies, add a little water and grind this into a fine paste. And now, the masala for the recipe is ready. It is time for us to take 2 boiled potatoes and mash them in a heavy bottomed saucepan. It is a good idea to mash this with our hands so that the texture of the potatoes are preserved. After mashing these potatoes, let us add the prepared masala. After the masala, let us add king of taste, Mr. Salt. After adding the salt, add water and stir the mixture as per your desired consistency. And it is time to place the prepared mixture onto a stove top. It is important to keep stirring the mixture so it doesn't get burnt at the bottom, and let the mixture come to a boil. Now it has come to a boil and it is time to add 2 important ingredients. First, let us add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. After adding the coconut oil, let us add 1/4 teaspoon of pre-soaked and dissolved asafoetida. After adding the dissolved asafoetida, we have to allow the mixture to come to a boil. Once it has come to a boil, we can take this off the stove top. This is it, my dear friends. In no time, we have easy and tasty batate or potato humana. If you like the video, do give this video a thumbs up and also share this video with your friends as well as family. Let us meet again soon. Until then, celebrate life, celebrate cooking, and have fun wherever you are.